The European Central Bank is the heart of the Eurozone economy. Let's look at how it keeps prices stable across 20 different countries. The ECB is the central institution for the Eurozone, which consists of all European Union countries that use the euro as their currency. Operating out of Frankfurt, the bank sets the rules for 20 different nations to ensure the currency remains stable and inflation stays predictable. Its primary job is price stability, which it achieves by adjusting interest rates to control how much money circulates through the economy. While the U.S. Federal Reserve has a dual mandate to support both employment and price stability, the ECB focuses almost exclusively on inflation. The ECB aims for a medium-term inflation rate of 2%, using its policy tools to nudge the economy toward that goal. Think of it as the steering wheel for the Eurozone economy. When prices rise too fast, they tighten policy to cool things down. Understanding central banks helps you grasp why interest rates move. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics.